Welcome back. We're now going to resume the process of connecting our autoresponder. So what we can do now is we can select the form builder, and we can then use the sign up form URL. We can copy it, and we can make it available to individuals using our various web links. When the individual comes to that page, we'll be able to collect their name and email address and add them to our email marketing list. If we're using an affiliate network in order to deliver our product, we can make it also so that when an individual makes a purchase, they'll be automatically added to our email marketing list by an integration. So for example, we're going to connect to our autoresponder. And because we're using MailChimp, we're going to select the service MailChimp. We're going to need to authorize MailChimp to connect to our affiliate network account. We're going to save it to our affiliate network account. We're then going to make a new connection. Once we've made the connection, our affiliate network account is then connected to our autoresponder, and we can look at specific lists within our autoresponder. We can then click Save. And we've now made it so that when an individual makes a purchase in our affiliate network account, they're going to be added to our autoresponder. Assuming we're going to be using a shopping cart buy button, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go inside of the product. We're going to need to edit the product. Now in this particular case, there is a specific method within ThriveCart. You will need to find this same method within the shopping cart that you are using. In ThriveCart, there is a section of the product called Behavior. And what we need to do inside of ThriveCart is to add a rule. What we're saying now is that when the main product is purchased, we are going to use a specific autoresponder. We're going to use MailChimp. We're going to specify a specific list within MailChimp. And we're going to click Save. And we're then going to save for the URL. Now, in order for this to take place, we're going to need to have a certain integration. And we're going to need to connect MailChimp to our shopping cart, or in this case, ThriveCart. Now, as you can see, we have already connected our ThriveCart account to our MailChimp account. But there is a process that you'll need to go through, which is to authorize your autoresponder to connect to ThriveCart. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.